Hello everyone! Welcome back to Technique Force Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can manage, create, and edit the filter and sorting features in ShopFunnels. So, let's get started. First, let's log in. Now this is my ShopFunnels dashboard. On the sidebar menu, scroll down and you can see the setting option. Click on it and select Filter and Sorting option. After that, just choose your store. First, you'll see the sorting option. These are the different types and labels that you have for sorting option. If you want to change this text, you can just click here on the Edit Sorting button and change the text according to your liking. You can add or edit anything you need here. Just save it after doing so. Now maybe you'll ask, how can these sortings show on the page? Let me show you. Let's go to my store and select the collection page. Please keep in mind that sorting and filters feature will only work on the collection page. Now click on the Edit Existing page. Here you can see a shortcode with a product filter. And here you can see the Sort By option. If you're using our built-in templates, then you don't have to worry because we have already added the shortcodes in our templates. You just need to download our template and you will find every shortcode on our collection. Let me show you this collection page template. Let's visit the page. You will see this is the sorting. This is your product title, which I have edited earlier. And this is all the filters. Going back, let's talk about the filters. Click on it. And here you will see I have already added some filters. If I delete these filters one by one and go back to my collection page and refresh it, you won't see a lot of filters here. Only the default filters that we have. If you have not created filters here, then only the default filters will show. Default filters will show filters related to the product tags only. And here you can see these are the product related tags. Like if I visit any product that I have here. For example, this one. The tags are jeans and men's jeans. This is what you're seeing here on the default filters option. Next, let me choose the custom filter. And I'll add the filter one by one. First, I'll add the color. Here you can see the option label. You can change the option label. And you can choose the option display. On the right side, you'll see the real-time preview of what you're editing to guide you. Here's the checkbox list looks like, and the box display option. Next, we have the option to select where you can choose between multiple or single. At this time, I'll select the multiple option. Next, we have the option value. If you select the manual value from here, you can select it one by one. And the value will appear here. So for this one, I'll just select the all value option. Now that we're done with the general setup of the filter, let's move on to the customization setup. Click on it. From here you can change the font color, the box color background, and others. For example, I'll change the font color of the active and hover section. And below you have the font size, weight, and you can choose text transform. And after that, I'll just save the settings. Now if I refresh the page, then you'll see the changes here. By using the filters here, your customer can find the right product that they are looking for. For example, if they're looking for a blue-colored product, then they can just choose it here on the filters option. And if you have one that's blue, it will show up here. If you don't have any, then it will not show any product. The products that are showing on the page depend on the filters that they are choosing. And they can easily remove the filters by clearing it out here. Now let me add a new filter. select the filter type and the other sections as well. For this filter, I'll choose the list option. And again, you can check it out here in the preview. After that, move on to the customization feature. Edit whatever you need here. Then save your setting. Now if I refresh the page, you can see the newly added size filter. Now let's create another filter. This time, I'll choose collection for the filter type. Then again, just edit the customization section and just save the settings. Refresh your page, and now you will see a filter related to collection. If you want to edit it, just go back and edit what you need. Just don't forget to save the settings. Now let's add a new one. Add a new filter related to review ratings. And save it. Refresh the page. And here you will see it was added. Customers can select the reviews and ratings here, and the product that have that amount of stars on their reviews about your product, those products will show up here. Now I'll add another filter. This time I'll choose weight. Now in customization, you can also change these texts and colors here. Then save the settings. Refresh the page, and here you can see it was added. Now I'll add another. This time selecting the price for the filter type. Then instead of adding the input field, I'll select the link for it. Adding the link means you just need to click on it. The user is not required to add price manually. They just click on the tab link and they will get the product related to it. After editing here, I'll now save the settings. And now just refresh the page. And you can see the price section added here. You can also change the option display depending on your liking. You can add more options for your price range here. So this is how you can add the filter in ShopFunnels. Now maybe you'll ask, how are these related and where does it come from? Because in ShopFunnels, we only have review, price, and weight built-in filters. We don't have the color, size, and collection. So let me show you where all of these filters are coming from. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Product, then Collection. Here you can see I have 5 collections, and in the Filters tab, I also have 5 collections. So from collections, this is where the filter came from. Now let me show you colors. If I click here, Product, and choose any product, then edit it, scroll down, and here you can see I have a lot of variants. I have a color variant and a size variant. This is where you get the size and colors from your variants. If I click on the variant generator, you can see the color variant and the size variant. If I create a new product and create a variant for this product and add an option like material, and add another one, which is style, and create the combination. Now I have added 2 new variants which are material and style. I'll now save the settings. And if I refresh the filters page, now you can add more filters, unlike a while ago. And here on the filter type, you will now see material and style, which are the new variants that we have added. Select those and save the settings. Now refresh this page. And then you'll see all the filters that we have added. And that is how you create and manage the sorting and filtering features in ShopFunnels. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.